If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the next video.